Welcome to Dad Bod Swimming with Ryan. In this video, you'll unlock the subtle techniques that will help you master the art of seamless breaststroke turns. Once you've pushed off the wall, it's essential to maintain a tight streamline. As your body's momentum slows down, it's time to prepare for a pull down with your arms and a quick dolphin kick with your legs. It's crucial to look down and focus on the center black line. This helps your body stay in a straight line so your arms and legs can pull effectively. Approach the wall with precision, forming a tight, spherical body alignment. Swiftly flex your legs, strategically placing the balls of your feet at the wall's center for a powerful push-off. Once you've pushed off the wall, it's essential to maintain a tight streamline. Focus on a tight and concise pull down. Thank you for watching Dad Bod Swimming with Ryan. See you next time.